So if you have the pass, you check in with the blue shirts. They're gonna direct you to a little office right there. Let me show you, because across the street there's a lot of vendors trying to sell you shirts and tickets and stuff. As soon as you get here, walk in to the right and then go talk to the they look black, but it's like dark gray. And then you gotta get your Uber to that location, Corcovado. So it was I bought the morning ticket, but I didn't come at 7 a.m. Anyway, they have an elevator, escalator, or you can take the traditional stairs up to the price. It's up to you. I did have the fast pass. Anyway, I got here at 12:22. I was supposed to be here between 8 and 12, but they still honored it. It's pretty cool. It's like a 10-15 minute ride on the train. When you're on the plane, look out for those towers and Jesus will be close to it, because sometimes it blends in.
Ça ressemble à Nicaragua.
Alright. So I just had the best rated Churrasqueria. And yeah, it's called Churrasqueria Palace Leals. And is it worth it? Thank you, thank you. So it's missing like little. Right.
Deixa eu pensar recently in the last 10 years, French arrived, and then the Japanese, Toyota, Honda,
Thank you.
also Hyundai, South Korea. We have brand Brazilians, but they didn't fight equal terms against monstrous foreign companies.
So whenever you pay with a little machine with your card, they always give you like a little receipt. Thank you, thank you. Thank you. They're also
Normal y correcto.
coffee from right there. All right. So I just had the best rated Churrasqueria. And yeah, it's called Churrasqueria Palace. It was 205 Cokes, I think were 11 reals. And is it worth it? Really good, very worth it.